34 minutes past the hour, 4 p.m. today, the 3rd day of June, 2025. And if you check today, definitely not Tuesday. And the station where they listen to, 89.9 Yanga FM, station we sabi for Yanga Sport. Yes, with the men, we sabi. When you mean me?
My guy.
Some kind of things they will be say, if you hear them, say happen to person, and your people know they inside, especially when they suppose they.
Okay.
By professionalism, by all standard, they suppose they that conversation.
Yeah.
Low and cocoa below.
Okay.
Your people not there.
All right.
You the pain person.
Normal level.
Now, I want to explain, say, and the Confederation League, I better call them
CAF Champions League. The winners.
Winner go home with $4 million for Africa. We know they talk European competition.
Yeah.
We they talk the way we say the likes of Enyimba, the likes of Canopilla, suppose they're not they.
Okay.
Now, Pyramid 9 win 4 million.
Yeah.
And we get an active, working, functional NPFL teams. You hear me? Wetin be the excuse when Nigerian League wan give us, wey make them no follow collect this money?
I don't know. The winner of CAF Champions League, they make $4 million. The winner of CAF Confederations Cup, they make $2 million. This now objective for Nigerian League clubs to chase. Imagine wetin go happen to the balance sheet of one Nigerian League club. Say $2 million, $4 million enter their balance sheet. It go spread to their youth team. It go spread to the people, even the people where they do business for that community, where that team they go employ more people. And this now waiting Nigerian League clubs supposed to they pursue.
No,
they know they produce players for Super Eagles. They know they even sell play. At least each Nigerian League club supposed to sell one player go at Europe least, every year. $1 million at least $1 million every year to they bring money into the country.
Nothing.
So what they can they do?
Yes. Now to win their local league now, no. Even who win Eagles can not go make Super Eagles team. Yes, it annoying.
And now why we happy say FIFA now they can't do this training for Nigerian League clubs. I just hope say they know just go that hotel where they organize and just go chop, flex, lodge. Connect, lodge, do everything. They know can't get the most important thing are the entrepreneurial ability of how to run a club to they make money, they attract money to this country so that employment go to increase for Nigerians. More footballers go to get opportunity and every other thing go to expand. They make Nigeria they grow well for football.
My brother, your school fees no waste.
I they tell you.
Talking about what you want to tell me now. When they talk say be male, you not agree. They say be female, you not agree. Now, the government body of sports, you understand, athletics, don't talk say they must run tests.
Yeah, gender screening.
Before person go appear for sport. You hear me? Now, person will be male and female. We no be male, we no be female. Sorry. I want contact code for this kind of decision
now the problem with this and who bring this story now Imani Khalif the Algerian boxer will win gold for the Olympic Games and now they don't say she could go through gender screening and medical report don't show say biologically na male. She look like biologically na male, but when you look the everything na female. You see, we need to get this transgender conversation now because truly, where you want me to go? Because there be human beings, they just want to participate in sports. They not be participate with the male, they not be participate with the female.
Never.
So okay, what you remember after that Olympic, people gonna say, may they need to participate for women's sports. So as we pursue them everywhere, maybe we need to sit down and talk. Say okay, as they get male sport, they get women's sport, they will get for transgender too.
Well, I don't start.
No advice. They be human being, and anything we go make us as human being. They say I different from you. Make we remove them from, and now I will love sport.
All right.
Sports they put everything for me to. So now we need to talk about whether we go to get transgender sport for these people. Maybe they get representation.
Transgender sport or not, 89.9 Yanga FM. Now the station where Sabi and the station where you day.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.